Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the stunning 60s bombshell hair in seconds on DTI. So in this easy and quick tutorial, we're diving into the world of 60s bombshells beauty in DTI. And here I'm going to create the hair, the bombshell hair. So let's just get started. So first, you just need to go find this hairstyles in here and change the color into whichever you like. I'm going to go with this red color. Okay, now put on the second hairstyle, this one, and use the same color. Okay, and next put on this one in here, use the same color, and lastly you just need to use okay, this one, but only use the bangs, so only bangs. Don't forget to change the color, and that's it. So this is the final look for the 60 bombshell hairstyles on DTI. So guys, whether you're entering a vintage theme show or just love old school glam, this is the look you need to try. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more outfit hacks. Bye!